Hi viewers, welcome to MAXii. This is part 2 on MS Excel. This session we will learn about what is cut, copy, paste and paste special. Let us go to the session quickly. Please open the Microsoft Excel sheet. We will learn about cut, copy, paste and format painter. First, if you want to know what is cut is nothing but it's cutting a cell or the whole sheet whatever to another place. Copying, like you're copying it cells and putting it in another place. Copy, you will have a source, the source content will be kept as it is and it will be pasted in another sheet where you choose. Cut is like it will get cut and the original source or the content will be disappeared and it will get pasted in some other place where you choose. So I will open this. First we will see what is copy. I wanted to copy these cells. Okay, I am just selecting it, shift down arrow, copy it, and here also you can see the copy. You can copy here and there, no issues. Copy, and I wanted to paste it here. I will just click right click and I will click paste. If you want to use the shortcut, you can use it Control and V, Control plus V, paste. See, I got the result. The original content is not disappeared and I got the one more copy. Okay, now I wanted to cut and paste. So for cutting, see, I am just selecting one by one like this for whole cells and copy it, and I want to paste it here. See, just go and paste it. Sorry, I missed it. We want to learn about cut. I am just selecting it. You just click cut and paste it here. As the name says, it will cut that cell and get pasted here. So very simple. The third one is a format painter. Format painter is something like if you wanted to copy the background colors and wanted to paste in some other place. See, I am just copying these colors. I will just mark the colors. I will just copy it, select it and copy. Just click on format painter and I wanted to paste it here. Did you see the background color is here but the content did not come? So this is useful for that. Only the background colors will paste it here. So the next one is copy and pasting. There are lots of other options is there. For example, there is an option called paste special, right? Just click it. There are lots of options inside the paste special option. Paste special is nothing but it's an instruction to the cells. So what kind of paste you want to do, so you give the instructions. Pasting nothing but you will just copy and you can paste it as it is, it will come. But paste special is a special instruction you can give. So these are the options you can see. Okay, if you click here and paste it, but all the cells are in the border, it will get pasted here except the border, the contents will get pasted. See, there is no border here. Got it? So this is a special instruction I am giving to paste without the border. Okay, now you can also paste special. If you wanted to add 100 plus 10, 200 plus 20, 300 plus 30, you can click add and give OK. It will get added and give the result. See, 100, earlier it was 10, right? Now it's 110, 220. Similarly, it goes on 1000 plus 100, 1100. Got it? This is addition. So similarly you can also give for subtraction. So it gives 100 minus 10 minus 90. You can give multiply, it gets multiplied. If you want to divide, that also you can give it. Just see, just click the divide, give OK. See, I'm getting the result. Okay, this is a paste special instruction. You can use all these options. This is another option called transpose. I will tell you the benefit of this. Suppose you have a report, or I'll just tell you. First of all, we'll just make a report like A, B, C, D, F, I, J. Okay, here I will just have a box border, then I will have the background colors which is here. Copy and paste in as a format painter. Now I wanted to copy and paste. See, whatever ABCD is written vertically and the numbers are written vertical, right? I wanted both the report should come as a horizontal. Okay, now it's vertical, right? I will just copy and paste. I will just give the instruction as a paste special to paste as horizontal. I'll just copy, I'll right click, paste special, click on transpose and just give OK. Now you see it has become horizontal. Got it? So A bottom you can see 100, B 200. So you will get the result like this. You can have lots of reports, whatever reports you can convert like this. So this is for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe, share it. You will have more and more new upcoming videos. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.